Cash App provides multiple secure methods to log out of your account. The most common approach is the standard logout method directly from the app interface. To perform a standard logout, first open your Cash App and locate your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This circular icon typically displays your profile picture or initials. After tapping your profile icon, scroll down through the menu options until you find the Sign Out button. This is typically located near the bottom of the profile settings. For enhanced security, especially when you suspect unauthorized access or have lost a device, Cash App offers remote device management capabilities. The privacy and security settings provide powerful tools for managing all devices connected to your Cash App account. This feature allows you to sign out of all devices simultaneously from any single device. To access remote device management, navigate to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Manage Devices. From here, you can choose Sign Out of All Devices to immediately terminate all active sessions. Modern Cash App security includes advanced biometric authentication features that enhance the logout process with additional verification layers. Face ID and fingerprint authentication provide an extra layer of security during logout procedures. These biometric features ensure that only authorized users can sign out of the account. When logging out, these biometric systems verify your identity through facial recognition or fingerprint scanning, ensuring that logout requests are legitimate and preventing unauthorized access attempts. Cash App also includes automatic logout features that activate after periods of inactivity, providing an additional security layer without user intervention. The automatic logout feature activates after 15 to 30 minutes of inactivity. This ensures your account remains secure even if you forget to manually log out of the application. These comprehensive logout methods and security features work together to protect your Cash App account across all devices, ensuring your financial information remains secure at all times. Maintaining optimal security with Cash App requires following essential best practices. These practices form the foundation of secure financial app usage and protect your account from unauthorized access. Regular device audits are crucial for maintaining account security. Perform monthly reviews of all devices with active Cash App sessions to identify and remove any unauthorized or unused access points. In a lost device scenario, immediate action is critical. Here's the step-by-step process to secure your account when your device goes missing. Enable push notifications for new device logins to receive immediate alerts about account access. This early warning system helps you detect unauthorized access attempts quickly. Statistics demonstrate the effectiveness of proper logout practices. Users who regularly log out of unused devices experience 73% fewer security incidents compared to those who remain persistently logged in across multiple devices. Cybersecurity professionals unanimously recommend always logging out of financial apps on shared devices. Financial technology analysts suggest conducting monthly device audits to maintain optimal security posture. By following these comprehensive security guidelines, you can significantly reduce the risk of account compromise and ensure your financial information remains protected. Regular audits, immediate logout practices, and proactive monitoring create multiple layers of security for your Cash App account.